We're back. So today's Saturday, obviously. It's a Saturday vlog. That's like the only time I really get to vlog. But today I tried on some clothes, as you can see. It's all over the bed. So make sure you watch that video because it will be out before this vlog. As you can see, my bed is full of brand new clothes because I had to give a lot of my clothes away. So I have a lot of new clothes. This makeup tutorial is also on my channel. Make sure you have watched that already. But I'm about to put all these clothes in their hangers and then go put them in the closet. Thank you for watching. And I already know I don't have enough hangers, but it is what it is. Yeah, the video I just recorded, both of them are on my channel by now. So make sure you go watch it and go about my business. I'm about to go make some breakfast because I told myself you will eat after you work. And since I recorded 2 videos, not including this vlog I'm recording now, now I can go eat. It's just discipline. It's not like a crazy disorder type of thing. I just needed to discipline myself. Treat me good, color may run. So that means I need to wash that by itself. Yeah, I just bought a lot of clothes, a lot of basics. I just needed some stuff, you know. It's not like I went shopping, like on a shopping spree. I just needed to replace a lot of the clothes that I give away because I had to. So my wardrobe is changing also. I'm about to be 27, so a lot of the stuff I used to wear, I'm not into it anymore. So it's just time to elevate, you know. 27 is not a time to still be rocking the same clothes you had since you were in high school. Like, it's time to get new clothes. It's okay to treat yourself to those things as well without feeling guilty about it. But obviously don't spend the money if you ain't got it. Like, wait till you have the money and then you purchase those things that you need. If you need a new wardrobe, save up for it. Save up $20 a month. And then by that 6th month, you'll have a nice pretty chunk of money. That's what I'm doing. Just cutting these tags. It's a lot of clothes. We're gonna have to go to Burlington and go pick up a whole pack of hangers. Like, I don't even wear a size medium anymore. I'm freaking large. So I needed to get some stuff because all of my clothes were medium. I'm probably gonna wear this in my next decor haul because this just screams I got my life together. Sorry if my energy is a little bit low. I'm hungry. I don't have. All right, let's go ahead and hang these up. And we're gonna go make some breakfast. We'll be showing you guys the beauty room very soon. I've just been going through some things. Not going through some things, but just some things been happening that I'll keep you guys updated with when I record that video on the beauty room. But because some of these things are not going to be staying in my closet. Like, I'm going to take all my purses out and put them in the beauty room very soon. So just stay tuned for that. Why did everything fall? All right, shirts. Gray shirts. All of my jackets and sweaters are not going to be in here because those are not everyday clothes. Those are going to go somewhere else. I hate having sweaters in between nice tops. It just makes no sense. Absolutely no sense. Like, this should not be next to my Christmas sweater. But I will change it very soon. The green section is coming to life. Like, look at all that green. Again, this jacket should not be with this top. So it's a principle thing, kind of thing. Like, you gotta put things in a place where it's going to stand out in your closet so that when it's time to look for clothes, you're not overwhelmed or disappointed because you see so many jackets and sweaters that you don't see what's actually in your closet. It's a logic. All right, brown. See, I don't even have a brown section. I have tan. Look at that. First brown top. Made no sense. I'm about to go get 3 more in 2 weeks. Why? This top won't stay on a hanger. All right, I found 3 more hangers. Yay! So let me go get those clothes. is back. I need to wash it. Oh yeah, and I need to do laundry. Ugh. Take my laundry basket out. It's absolutely full. We're about to do laundry too. Adulting. I love it though. I absolutely love it. Like Saturday, I find so much joy in Saturday because it's like I don't have to talk to nobody. I just do things around the house, record my videos. Like it's just a very important day for me. Like no distractions, just getting things done. I love Saturday. Love Saturday. Got this black skirt for church because other ones I was looking too thick, and I don't like to look too thick at church. Like that's not right. You don't want to lead people into sin. So I got a bigger size, it's size 10. Don't get me wrong, I love having my jackets on hangers because it's easier to find them. But anyways, this one needs to be washed. You need to, if this thing is starting to get dirty and dingy, wash the thing. But I like having my jackets on hangers because it's easier to find them and it's just everything in place. I like to, if I could, I would have every single one of my clothes in a hanger except my underwear. But it's just practically I would need a bigger closet because all these things are like t-shirts and stuff. Like I would have a t-shirt section just on only t-shirts. But it's coming soon when I get married and everything. Yeah. Then we'll have a big closet. Alright, I gotta take this jacket down. Again, it's bothering the heck out of me. I'm just gonna fold it up. This office shirt, I want to keep it hung up, but I don't want it next to this kind of thing. So I'm gonna be rearranging it and only having like cute clothes in this closet and everything else in my beauty room closet. All of these are skirts that should be hanging. Just a lot of stuff. Like this sweater, all that stuff is gonna be taken out very soon. And I like to look and see what colors have more than others, and then I go shopping for the colors that have less. So right here, the burnt orange shirts, there's really only 3 versus the red. I'm gonna go, the next time I shop, I'm gonna find at least 2 of these. I always want white because it goes with everything. I need another green. Definitely need more brown. Like this is the only brown. I need one more gray. Like I just want everything to be full. For the yellow dresses, I need one more. I need purple dresses, things like that. There's a whole system of how I shop now. I don't just go shopping just to go shopping. I'm very much intentional. I use a lot of things that keep me from overspending. I use a lot of websites like Student Beams. It helps you just save money on different places. That's what I use for this last haul. They have student discounts. You can use Afterpay if you don't want to pay for it all at one time. It'll split it into 4 payments every 2 weeks. There's a lot of ways you can shop. You don't have to do it the way you've been doing it when you were in high school. Like, level up, you know? Anyways, let's go make some breakfast because I'm so hungry. I need to take this shirt off because it's also from the haul and I don't need to be wearing it all day in the house. I need to be wearing lounge clothes in the house. So, all right, so we finished eating, watched our little show. Time to get back to work. I have 2 videos to edit today before 4 o'clock. I have rehearsal at 4 o'clock at church. So I got to get everything done before so that I can be uploading while I'm doing my thing. I am about to do a customized palette. I have a birthday request. One of my homeboys, Brandon, shout out to you, is ordering a customized palette for his girlfriend, Maya. Hey girl. So I'm about to customize it really quick. Hopefully I remember how to do these. It's been a long time. But all right, so I got everything. Let's get this thing started. I'm going to be making turkey burgers for the first time. This is a vlog style, so it's not really a cooking video. Just wanted to put that out there.
Times on the beat, man.